Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my Python series. In this lecture, we will see a simple program to convert a digit to its name. So suppose we have 1 and we will output this to 1 and 2 will output this to 2. So this will be our simple program for today and we'll be using dictionary. So if you haven't seen the use of dictionary and how to use dictionary, you can check my previous video. I'll be giving the link in my description. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. So suppose um we want to okay, say suppose we have a variable called phone and we want to take input of our user phone number, and we will output that in in names. I don't know how to say that. 1 2 3 4 we'll be using that, not in digits. So we have a variable called phone and we'll have the input of our user. Then we need to have our dictionary, so we'll have our digit dictionary here, and dictionary, and inside this we will write our key value pairs. So our first key is 1 and this one will be 1. Or second key, so I will write all the digits like this. And third one is 3, sorry, 3. And write what's happening. Okay. Mm, okay. I will give you fast forward for this because it's taking so much of time and I am a bad typist, so it will take a lot of time. Okay, so we have all our digits mapped in our dictionary, and now we need to we need a for loop. We need to run a for loop to our input user phone number. So we'll run a for loop here, then we'll say for loop, then characters in phone. Then we will do what. So we need to have a output. Okay, we have output variable and this variable is empty. This is an empty string. So this is an empty string. So what we can do here, we will do output plus equal to output plus equal to our dictionary name. So the digits from our dictionary. Then we'll use the get method, digits in our dictionary, get. Then what we'll do, we'll get all the characters. And if someone, okay, we'll give a character if someone inputs, so suppose, okay, I'll show this after. Okay, we have characters here. So what is doing here, we are adding this empty string with the digits in our dictionary. So if the character is 0, then it will add this empty function with get character from this 0. Then it will add, so then it will add a empty space, then it will add a empty space, so plus, okay, empty space. So this is and if we run this code, so digit counter, okay, so enter the phone number. So suppose 101234. Okay, I'm not giving any output here because I haven't write the print statement yet, so I need to write the print statement. So print, so print, I will print the output variable. So I'll print the output variable. So say suppose 0123 and we have 0123 in our console. Say suppose if someone's enter a invalid character, say suppose 3, 4, 5, then we can have a error here. So what we can do to bypass this error, we can specify something here. We can specify uh, exclamatory for our exception, because we are getting get, so it will give us the output none. So what is none? It will give us the output exclamatory. So suppose now if we write 1 2 0 3, we will see 1 2 exclamatory 3, and now our program will not give us any error. So this was a simple program how you can use dictionaries in your real life. So I hope you enjoyed today's simple project. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.